Okay, so we're going to take the 159, we're going to just move it over so we have our little blank spot. So we got y minus 159 equals x squared minus, oh, the 74 should have an x on it. Sorry, I missed the x. Yes. I started it with a negative and I switched it to a positive, so that was my bad. Okay, so I've got my blank spot there. And then now what should I do after that? Divide it by 2. So I'm going to take negative 74. I'm going to divide it by 2. And then what do I get when I do that? Negative 37. Okay. Now I'm going to take the negative 37. And what am I going to do with that number? I'm going to square it. But I'm going to put it in parentheses when I square it because I don't want to kill a baby otter. Dr. Davis would be so sad. Whew! This is a very large number. Very large. Okay. This is when in the video I grabbed a different color last night. Okay, and that was a very strong eye roll I got from Joseph. Whew! I was very judgy. He's like, I did not grab a different color, and I turned out just fine, thank you. So what do I do with the different color with this number? I put it in the blank, and what else do I do? Add it to the other side. Okay. Negative 159 plus 1369. Our numbers are very strange because of the 74 that was so large. We are not intimidated. We can handle these numbers. This is fine. Okay, so this is what we have. And so at this point, what are we ready to do with the right side of the equation? Not combine like terms. Yes. Alex, what do you think? Question? Yes, what's your question? Yes. Did you typo? This is what I got. We did? I thought you said 1,800. I can't zoom anymore. Would you like to zoom with your feet? You could walk up and sit with Keld today. Keld has 2 empty spots. Is that enough zooming in if you walk up there? No, that's not. I mean, that's a few feet at least. That's like 5 feet closer. Is that 5 feet closer? 6 feet? 7 feet closer? Or you can zoom up here with your feet. I'm sorry, my document camera. Oh, actually, I can zoom like this. Ready? 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 Huh, zoom. Yes. Not the multiply. Well, that would be like factoring, but we can kind of shortcut that step. I'll give you a hint. It's this. Yeah, kind of getting it towards the vertex form. So I'm going to write it as something in parentheses squared. Yeah, it should be x minus 37. So the number that I got when I divided by 2 is what goes in the parentheses. So negative 37 is what I got. So x minus 37 is what goes in those parentheses. And then how do I get the y alone? Subtract the 1,210. So y equals x minus 37 squared minus 1,210. The numbers are kind of funky, but we did it right. I wouldn't want to graph that. That would be a very large scale graph. If we were to factor this, it would be, you'd say, what 2 numbers multiply to 1,369 but add to negative 74? And you would say, oh, it's negative 37 and negative 37. And so you'd be like, oh, that's x minus 37 times x minus 37, which is x minus 37 squared. And we just skipped that step because we knew that would happen. Yep, good question. All right, can we do an odd number? Yeah, we're going to get some decimals in there if we do an odd. Is that okay? We're not going to do 69. Goodness gracious. All right, let's do x squared minus 21. We're going to do some negatives again. Minus 21 plus 97. X squared minus 21x plus 97. You guys, I'm sending this recording to your mom. Innocent child. All right, what do we do next? Or what do we do first? We haven't even started. Yes. Before, put the things in the thing. Minus 97. All right, y minus 97 equals x squared minus 21x, and now we get our blank spot, okay? And then what should we do? Now we do not put the things in the thing. Divide by 2. Negative 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. Negative 10.5. Okay. Because we'd have to get, where's your note? I don't have my notes out. Because when you FOIL out a perfect square, something squared, it gets the x term twice. And since we're working backwards, we want the x term twice. Remember when it was x plus 3, and we got 3x gave us 6x? And then 3 times 3 was 9. So we want 2 of those. Yep. All right, negative 10.5. What do we get? What do we do next with the negative 10.5? Multiply it by itself, right? Square it. $110. And that's what goes in the blank. Where else does it go? On the other side too. So whatever we do to the right side of the equation, we have to do to the left side of the equation. Yep. We added it to the right side, we add it to the left side. Okay? So, just going to write out what I have. All right, on the left side, I've got negative 97 plus 110.25. Okay, so I got y plus 13.25, okay? And now I've got something in parentheses squared. How do I know what's in my parentheses? Yes. You're close. Negative 10.5. So whatever you got when you divided by 2, yeah, whatever you got when you divided by 2, that's what goes in the parentheses. Now, you can use your decimal or you can use your fraction. What would you guys rather do? Would you rather have the decimal or would you rather have the fraction in the parentheses? It doesn't matter. Decimal? Okay. So x minus 10.5. We got some fraction haters in here. It's fine. I like fractions. I'd rather have a fraction over a decimal any day. All right, and then what do we do? Subtract the 13 over to the other side, get that y alone. So we got y equals x minus 10.5 squared minus 13.25. Ta-da! That's kind of fun. Sure, if that's your idea of fun, Miss Rice. Cool. That tells me what kind of person you are. Okay, so that is the process. You have lots of good examples. As we work through the activity, what are you going to do if you get stuck? You're going to ask me for help, okay? Just like the around the room activity we did last time, it does not matter where you The plan was to let you guys finish it, get all 10 problems done. Can I just say you got it? So
Alright, what is this? What?
Is it that one? No, it's one. That's -1. And then -1 squared. Yeah. So I think the answer is enough.
So then,
So I think it's just a negative.
y plus 4 x squared 1. Then let's see. Get 3. And then I have x plus 1.
So for number I, it says the answer is -1, but I got +1 to do when I squared it, like after that.
it's when you divide by 2. That's what you put in there, is when you divide by 2. So when you divide by 2, -2 divided by 2 is -1. When you square it, you get 1, but that's not what you put in the parentheses. It's when you divide by 2. That's what you put in the parentheses. Oh, hold on, I gave you the paper. I was working on it. Thank you. Yes. Oh, nice. Hang on to that. And then wait for a second, and we will do notes. I'm going to have you guys turn that in with the assignment we're about to do.
on the wall.
Why not?
Okay. Oh, no, you know what? I haven't even made the test review yet. I wish I could, but I am slacking just slightly. I'm slightly slacking. Hi. Oh. There are not very many. I know, they are. I ran out of pens. There's some more here. We are about to start taking notes, so take notes with us, and then you can go to the bathroom.
Oh, this is nice.
All right. Wherever you guys are at in the activity around the room, you can stop. Make sure you put your name on it, and I'm gonna give you credit for it, but you are gonna turn it in with the next assignment we are doing. Okay? So keep it. You're not turning it in yet. You won't need to work on it more because I saw that everyone, you working at your own pace, as long as you got like 7, 8 of the 10 done, you are good. Okay? So, say it again. Yes. Take a seat. We need to get some paper out. Can you answer? They are wonderful. Grab the assignment that's over on the corner. And do you see it? It's nope. Right. Yep. Where your hand is. Yep. Grab that assignment. Yes. Grab the assignment.